Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove duplicate photos on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just select Agree and tap on Scan Pictures. Now just give this app this permission. Now just tap on See Results. Now just tap on Review Manually. Now, as you can see, it found all the duplicated photos on our smartphone. From here, just select the duplicated photos which you want to delete. Then tap on Clean. Now just select Allow and tap on Cancel. Now just tap on Finish. And this is how you can remove duplicate photos on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.